So today is the first day of spring, and I had no idea about this snowstorm. Yeah, it looks pretty. It's not laying too much. Anyway, I just want you to see, because it does look pretty back here. Yeah, so anyway, it looks pretty back here. But, hey, it's spring, so, you know, I'm ready to see the other stuff. Not snow cover. I don't think it's going to do a lot. I don't know. I mean, right now it's not laying very much on the road, so that's good. Alright, I'm just taking a walk to show you guys. Yeah, this is in the spring. There's the truck. Of course, no, I didn't, work's closed today. I had to work my part-time job at the hair salon, you know, all day, but not today. They're closed. Oh boy. Actually, you know, I'm just out taking a walk to show you. I'll tell you what, boy, am I gonna have so much to shovel later. Because it's not stopping until this evening. Oh gosh. So we have Winter Wonderland in the spring. Yep, it's spring. Here we go. Oh boy, I have to have an umbrella because I don't care if I get one, I don't want to get my phone wet. So I don't know, hopefully that won't hinder anything. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's gonna keep going. It does look pretty though, but yeah. I want the flowers. Gosh, I had daffodils coming up. Oh yeah, daffodils under the snow. Looks pretty though. We have some big trees in this neighborhood. Told you, it's been around for a while. Yeah, people out doing some shoveling. These are the cars. Yeah. That tree looks pretty. Yeah. The thing I do like about doing YouTube videos is, you know, it gets me to get out and do some things that maybe I wouldn't normally do. Because usually, when it's snow and you're snowed in, you know, you're just not going to walk around the neighborhood. I mean, there's nobody else walking around here, do you? I mean, there might be somebody probably because of walking their dogs. But doing the video gets me to walk around here. You know, when it does snow though, it's always like peaceful and quiet. Yeah. It's quiet. There's somebody out there. You know, I actually hear birds. I hear the birds. There's birds. Yeah, see them up there? I don't know if you can see them up there on that wire. I wonder what they're thinking of all this. Oh my gosh. Probably thinking, it's not supposed to be snowing now. Oh, I hear birds up here. Yeah, I hear them up in the trees. Hmm. I've got some car here going through. Yeah, lady up there shoveling. Yep, that's what I need to do. Get back. I mean, I probably should do some shoveling. Get it started, you know. I don't know. Yeah, you hate to do double, but maybe I should just get it going, you know. Okay. Yeah, and Jamin's in there. All comfortable doing his stuff. Yep. Yeah, I'm really happy about that. Can't even tell you. Emma, the thing about Emma, though, is, you know, I guess because I've only had them both since last December. Yeah, she thought she had the whole place to herself. She was liking it, and I could tell. I kept saying, Jamin's coming home. I said it every day, Jamin's coming home. Because, you know, I didn't want her to get used to the idea. She sort of was loving it. She wanted all the attention for herself. That's a woman for you. How about it? Yeah, she's a female, so what do you think? All right. Yeah, I knew I'd see someone walking their dogs. And that guy, and I was talking to that girl down there, shoveling. I was talking to her. Here we are. Yeah, I think I need to go back and shovel. Get some of it up a while. Because otherwise it's going to be too hard. Yeah. Hey, you have to get your dogs out, that's for sure.
Yeah, for sure. They need to get exercise.
How about, what kind are they?
Shepherds.
Oh, okay. Wow, they're nice.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. That's a devoted owner for you. See that? He just said they need exercise. Good for him. Oh, boy. Gotta get his car off, but it's gonna get covered again. Yeah. Okay. And that's pretty quiet, isn't it? Hear a little ambulance in the background. I can get by. I'm walking right down here in the snow. Alright, yeah, there's that graveyard. Showed you before. Yeah, it's cold out too, and windy. It's actually blowing a bit. All right. Yeah, coming up here.